And I done burnt the other bologna. But look, check this out.
Look, 1, me, 3 bitches. Too much smoke up in the room, fucking up my vision. Think about taking some more, made them niggas wiggin'. Teach them how to tie their shoes, heard them niggas trippin'.
This OMB Peezy and this hood cuisine. You ain't got nothing but some bologna and some bread in the house. You ain't got nothing in your refrigerator. I'm gonna show you how to get your stomach right. This Peezy famous grilled cheese bologna. Get your bologna. I know how to cut it 4 ways like this, cause my grandma used to cut it 4 ways like that, so the bologna won't swell up like a balloon. There we go, put a little sizzle on that motherfucker, yeah. So that motherfucker be right, you want it sizzling. You want the edges to almost be black, not too black, a little bit lighter than my skin complexion. Now you flip that motherfucker. They got me in this motherfucker cooking. I ain't stood over the stove in so long. And I done burnt the other bologna. But look, check this out. I like my shit burnt. You might not like your shit burnt, but I like my shit a little bit, you know what I mean? My shit gotta look like it went through some problems, some hard times. That's hard, I'm finna slam that.
Sometimes I feel like I never make it out the struggle. Never ever change your heart. The streets don't love me, but I love them. Hey, fuck being shot. Have you ever lost your bundle? It's gonna be a cold summer. Chop a hole, 100. I'm 100, little nigga.
You ain't wanna throw your cheese on that, you feel me? Shit. That motherfucker stuck to the plate, fool. If I can get a piece of cheese. There it is. Then you boop. Put your cheese on there, right? For a couple seconds, not too long. With that yeah on there. Get another piece of bread, you hear me? Gang shit. When you ain't got no motherfucking food in the refrigerator, then you flip that motherfucker. It's gonna get you right, pimp. Don't even trip. Thank me later. Peezy famous grilled cheese bologna. Don't forget to subscribe. Most people watch and don't even subscribe to a nigga shit, man. Hit that little button. It don't take nothing but a half a second.